Okay, so putting the battery in here real quick. Continue recording because it looks like let's see if it works. Where is the turn switch on there? Switch on. Okay. Is there a switch for this? I don't see a switch for on. No, this battery's dead. Because this is on. Those are brand new batteries I put in there. Shh. Crazy girl. Okay, I got it in the right. Oh, had it backwards. Oh, sorry. Excuse me. Oh, still dead anyway. Yeah, I didn't think that battery was gonna work because it's been out there in that drawer for what, 6, 7, 8 years. I think that was definitely past the time of recovery. So there's my battery stack. Don't tell anybody, okay?
Whoa, Ceci!
What do I do now?
Okay, I need a 9-volt battery. Evan, can you run and get a 9-volt battery for me someplace?
Nothing's open. Today's Christmas.
There's always something. There's always something open. Walmart's open. I need a 9-volt. I put double A's. Go to the dollar store. I think they're open on today too. Just get a couple of the cheapy ones. Eveready's. Don't get Energizers or Duracell. Get the real cheapies. Because this thing's gonna go through batteries like water.
Faster than we.
So this that's got batteries in, brand new batteries in it. That took 8 double A's. So that's all 8. That's gonna last for quite a while, but we need to get some cheaper ones for the remote.
That's like 16.
So here's the aftermath. We're cleaning up. It smells good in here. Why did you take this off, Papa? Why did you take this off? Why? Why did you take it off? Why? It's a scope, puppy. You look through it so you can see people. It's a scope.
Junior's a warrior. He doesn't need a scope.
It's right here.
Junior's like, spray and pray.
It's right here. It's sit here. They twist it like that.
Yes. I was like, you know what? Screw it. Jenny went dancing. And then I started dancing. And I saw Irene, he wasn't paying attention. Like, oh,
This is how you run a ball.
Oh, you see that, Chris? You load it.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool. I didn't know it made all those noises. That's cool.
Wrong song, Mom.
Oh.
Da 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 da.
No, you're running.
Yeah, you know what's up. You know what it is.
Okay, so done recording. I think I'm still recording over here. Yes, I am. So,
What?
signing off. Christmas 2012. Cold outside. Need batteries. And we have everybody. And my first year, January 20th, will be my anniversary of No More Tumor. So I'm so glad to be alive. I thank God for everything. He deserves all the glory, and I will see you next time, next Christmas. God bless you. God willing. Bye-bye.
Did you break your silencer or not?
Oh.
junk.
Can I pass me that pillow?
Happy birthday, Jesus.
Oh, there's you. Whoa, your PJs match my dad's slippers. Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Oh,
Hey, give me those PJs.
will it fit you?
No. I don't think so.
Jerk. Never mind.
Oh my gosh, it's freezing outside.
No?
Yes, it is. It's very cold.
Dad, you're not
It's
used
fresh.
to it. You're not used
Oh
to
girl,
the
my
weather.
gosh, it's freezing
I'm a
outside.
winter baby. Look, I can go outside without even using a jacket.
No. Stay inside.
So, like, without using a jacket. Oh, it's cold. How is it cold?
That was 2 years ago before we were at a thing for our church. It was a church dinner for, I believe it was Valentine's Day or it was Christmas. I think it was Christmas. I don't actually remember the day. It's a special day though. And me and my wife got our picture taken. That's when I have my tumor. That's why I'm on the right side of my face, because the left side had a little tumor sticking out my lymph node sticking out my left side of my neck. So that's and that's our wedding pictures. That was almost 10 years ago. Wow. I look pretty good in that picture. I'm still white, but at least it looked healthy. And I look like I'm really sick in this picture. There's my late son, Martin and Cassandra. Me and my wife on our 10-year anniversary. First time I had all my kids in one place. Johnny Rockets in Albuquerque. There's Nick, my buddy. IBD police. That was inside of Dan's house, what we called Dan's house. We named all of the houses that we've lived in. It says, In Love Forever, 2004. This is my pastor with his 2 grandchildren. Ceci, like 8 years ago. Christian, my grandfather. And that top one is Ceci, and that's me as a little baby in the middle, and that's Ceci at the bottom. And there's my grandfather, and that's my mom on the right top as a kid. There's my wife as a beautiful bride. This February 14th will be 19 years. There's my grandma that passed away last year. And there's Anna. There's Monica from this year's picture. Beautiful girl. Got beautiful children. Very, very blessed. And we're signing off. Say bye, babe. Haha.
Good.